and any content folder you see up here are going to be related to discussion pieces are down there. Generally, if I'm going to give you a content folder like this, it's going to have a discussion that's related to it. And the idea is, in the case of, let's say, the read alouds, you'd actually go in here, you'd watch the 3 videos, which aren't too long, only like 5 minutes or less. And once you're done watching those, you're going to go down to the discussion, and let's go look for the read aloud one. There it is right there. You click on the blue text, and then this leads you to the first discussion. To head over to the discussion, you're going to click here, and there it is. Now it's going to look a little different. I'm still building this, and it doesn't need to say click here first anymore if you're wondering why it says that. Originally I didn't realize I could put the discussions in where you wouldn't be able to put a thread, and I fixed that, so I'm going to be fixing some of the directions too. But the way you do it remains the same. After you get in here and you're going to see the discussion, and it sort of started on with some directions of what to do, you're just going to hit reply. Right here, you would click on that, and then down here you're going to post your or build your message and then post your reply. So when you reply to this and you come up with an idea for what you want to throw into the discussion, please just put some thought into it. You don't want it to be one-word answers, and after you've built that, go ahead and hit submit. Now, the one thing you want to be careful of is that you don't accidentally hit save draft. I've seen students or heard of students doing that before, and this is a useful tool, but you don't want to make that mistake. So what could you use save draft for? Well, let's say you get halfway through your thought with the discussion piece and then something comes up. Maybe you were cooking dinner at that time, or someone calls you over, you have to stop. Just hit save draft and you can come back to it later and finish up what you were doing. When you're ready, hit submit, and I really highly suggest that after you've done it, go out and then back in again to make sure it actually posted and that you didn't actually hit save draft. The other thing you want to do is just make sure it actually went through after you hit submit, so it's good to go double check.